place?
I've seen temples that look kinda like this place.
Elena, where are you?
Come forth. Same deal here. Split up and search this place for survivors.
Should we split up to look for her as well?
We shouldn't need to. This place isn't that big, so we'll probably hear. Looks like we found someone. This way.
Elena, please, be safe.
Time to warm up.
Vanish into the shadow of the moon! Lightning blitz! I'll shred you! Tearing through! I'll cut all of you down!
Leave it to me.
Strike! I see it. Too slow. Vanish into the shadow of the moon! Lightning blitz! You can't avoid it! I'll end this! Time for an opening! Lightning blitz! I'll shred you! I'll cut all of you down!
Penetrate.
This is the end! It's over!
Leave it to me.
It's no use! Don't get in my way! I'll end this!
I'll open a path.
I'll shred you! I'll cut all of you down!
Leave it to me.
Tearing through!
Penetrate. I'll open a path.
You can't avoid it! I'll end this! Vanish into the shadow of the moon!
Elena!
Mr. Sung, please, heal her.
Beru. We got lucky, but why wouldn't magic beasts finish off a fallen hunter?
I still have a long way to go.
Where? Elena! Oh, thank goodness. How are you feeling? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
honestly invigorated, if anything.
I'm so glad. You're okay.
Forgive me, Alicia. Not only was I unable to assist you, but needed your assistance instead.
If you had become like the other Strike Squad members, I wouldn't have been able to endure it.
Wait, did something happen to the others? I had no idea. Where are they?
Can I ask you something first?
Oh, certainly.
What happened before you regained consciousness?
There was equipment I left behind, so I went outside for a moment. After grabbing it, I came back inside and ran towards our previous location, following the plan we'd agreed upon. But for some reason, I didn't see any magic beasts while I was running. At first, I thought Alicia and the other hunters took care of them all. But then I thought how strange it was that there weren't any corpses or signs of struggle. Then I found myself here. I don't know what happened, but as soon as I stepped foot in this place, the entrance closed. The magic beasts attacked, so I fled.
Her story matches the other two. But there's something bothering me.
Is something wrong?
It's nothing. The mana power I feel from Miss Elena is just as weak as before. But I don't really feel energy from a magic beast either. Maybe I'm overthinking it. For now, we just need to focus on getting out of the dungeon. We're moving into a new area. I don't really feel anything out of the ordinary. Oh. Wait. Why don't I hear footsteps? Are your feet okay?
Mr. Sung, Alicia and Emma, they're not moving.
What's the problem? If you're tired, we can take a break. That's... Igris, Iron, Beru.
Get them out of...
No! Alicia! Emma!
Damn it. Is it too late? No, calm down. It's not like they're gone forever. If this is the same phenomenon I dealt with in the last raid, they should come back. As long as they take out all the magic beasts, that is. They're S ranks. As long as they keep cool under pressure and don't panic, they'll make it out okay. Although, if there's still illusion magic on them.
What? How?
Elena's not affected. Wait, how is she okay? Two S-rank hunters were struggling to break free from the illusions, but a D-rank hunter is completely fine? Something's not right. Wait a minute. Elena, you are not affected?
Happy now? Dangerous. You should have warned me. I suppose the jig is up? Couldn't hurt me anyway.
You're not human. Who are you?
Guess wearing a human skin was worth it after all. Even a kid as sharp as you didn't notice the difference. All the Master asked for was 3 humans dead. But I've simply got to see how a fellow experiment measures up.
Experiment? There's more information I can get out of her. Let's go. I see it all. Too slow. Lightning. Blitz! Strike! It's over. Leave it to me. I'll cut it. Down! I'll end this. Time for a count. An opening. Strike! Vanish into the shadow of the moon. I see it all. I'll shred you. Leave it to me.
I'll open a path.
Tearing through. Vanish into the shadow of the moon. Don't. Get in my way. Strike! You can't avoid it! Lightning Blitz! Too slow. Leave it to me.
Open attack.
I need a break. This is the end. It's no use.
Answer me. Who is this master you speak of? What is all this about failure and experiments? How are you able to turn humans into magic beasts? Answer me. Tell me everything.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up! This is not over. I am not a failure!
You're falling apart.
Shut up! I can still fight. I'm a perfect creation. I will defeat you and I will. No, Master, don't abandon me. I can still serve. No, please. I don't want to fade away like this.
The same scene all over again. And I'm back to where I started. Time for a counterattack. It's been quite a while, and those two aren't back. Maybe I underestimated the toll their condition was taking on them. They must not be able to fight properly. What should I do? If they're struggling to escape, I need to find out where they were taken. Maybe that will still work. I was right. This is new. I sense traces of mana coming from over there. That way.
No! Run!
Miss Laurent.
You... What have you done to my brother? How could you?
What you're seeing right now is just an illusion.
No. Give me my brother back. Bring everyone back!
I don't see another option. Sorry. This might hurt a bit. So that's the one that was causing this. Hang in there, Miss Laurent. I'll make sure you wake up soon. Well then, shall we?
Vanish into the shadow of the moon! This tearing through! Strike! Vanish into the shadow of the moon!
I'll open a path.
It's no use. I'll end this! Lightning blitz! It's over! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! Don't get in my way! I'll cut all this down!
Where am I?
Are you seeing me clearly now?
Where'd you come from?
Miss Laurent, you were being manipulated with illusion magic. I've experienced something similar before. Sudden transportation, followed by powerful illusions.
I see. So none of that just now was real.
What did you see?
My brother. I saw him being killed by a strange, shadowy man. Over and over again. I was right there and I still couldn't stop it. I just had to watch. I wanted to save him, but I didn't have the strength to...
Remember, that was an illusion.
No, Jinnu. It wasn't just an illusion. You know what I was doing the day he died? While my brother drew his last breath, I was at a party laughing with friends. I was such an idiot. I didn't even think about what he was going through.
The past doesn't change. And even if it did, would you want to risk losing all the progress you've made?
What?
This enemy you're chasing. The man who killed your brother. It's what made you so strong. The desire to avenge him and to know the truth. I don't think you want to give up now.
You know what? You're right. We're so close. Closer than ever. This is no time to sit and mope. All right, Jinnu. I'm ready to finish this.
Same here. Let's go that way. I sense more mana there. Stick close this time.
Of course. I don't fancy losing myself again.
Arise.